How to add payment method in Shopify. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to add payment method in Shopify. So first of all, just head over to the Shopify official website, and after that log into your account, and once you are logged in, just click on the settings icon from the bottom left, and here on the left hand side menu you will see the options. You will see the option called payments. Just click on it. And after that, on this page you will see different payment methods like your payment providers, supported payment methods, and payment captured method and manual payment methods as well. So in order to add your payment methods, you need to click on the add payment method under the supported payment methods. So just click on it. And after that, and once you click on the search bar, you will also see so many options available like your Visa card, MasterCard, Discovery, American Express, all other payment methods option available. So just go ahead and select any of the methods that you want to join into your Shopify. So for example, you want to add a Visa card, so just click on it. And once you click on it, you will see you can select ocean payment, split it, and there are so many options available. So select the card that you want to add to your Shopify, for example credit or debit mint. Now as you can see that this payment method will not be able to change once it is captured. So you have to enter the payment detail right here, and once you are done, your payment method will be added to your payment settings. So this is how you will be able to add payment method in Shopify account. I hope you find this video to be helpful.
So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.